now moving on to Mumbai, where the rain has been falling incessantly, and because of overnight rain, several areas in Mumbai have been flooded. The financial capital and a few neighbouring districts are on red alert for extremely heavy rainfall today and tomorrow. Apart from Mumbai, the alert has been issued for Thane, Pune, Raigad and Ratnagiri districts of Maharashtra. Mumbai's civic body has said that except for essential services, all other offices in the city will remain closed today. With a high tide expected at 12 o'clock, around 12:47 p.m. The civic body has alerted to all concerned departments and also to people to not go near any beach or any low-lying areas. Tidal waves of around 4.51 meters have been predicted due to heavy rains. Roads in areas such as Goregaon, King Circle, Hindmata, Dadar, Shivaji Chowk, Shell Colony, Kurla ST Depot, Bandra Talkies, Sion Road, they all are flooded right now. Okay, to take a stock of the situation over there, let's go across to Saurabh Gupta and Purva Chitnis. Saurabh, where are you standing and what is the situation right now? Is it safe for people to venture out?
Well, it's safe for people to venture out, but across the city, obviously, there is a lot of traffic jam because of waterlogging. And what's also happened is that the Western Express Highway, which is one of the arterial roads in Mumbai that brings in from the western suburbs of the city to the island city, that is witnessing massive traffic jams, not only because of the heavy rain, but also because there's been some sort of a landslip at Kandivali, where one portion of the road has been completely blocked, and this has happened due to heavy rain. So that led to massive traffic on the Western Express Highway, and that's making traffic movement very, very difficult on the Western Express Highway. Now, Mumbai has received, of course, record-breaking rain, and this kind of rain is something that perhaps the city is not designed to cope with. In fact, experts say that this is perhaps one of the heaviest spells of rainfall this month, and a red alert has been issued. And as a result of which, given Mumbai's unique drainage system, where the drain lock gates are shut during a high tide so that the seawater doesn't seep back in, this is unique to Mumbai. And this is, of course, something that results in waterlogging during a high tide, when high tide coincides with heavy rain, and this happens in low-lying areas. This, even as the pumps are working, the pumps are pumping out water, but simply the amount of rainfall versus the artificial pumping capacity is not equal. So obviously there is some amount of waterlogging in low-lying areas. Places like Hindmata is, of course, something that's worrisome.
Right. Purva, you're at Sion, and I think Sion is something that we see every year. You know, it's almost like we could go back 20 years and we'll bring out the same visuals of the same places that are getting waterlogged.
Absolutely. Now, that has to do with the topography of Sion as well, that it is a low-lying area. So, as Saurabh was also mentioning, that wherever there is a heavy rainfall, continuous rainfall, the low-lying areas do get flooded because the amount of rain that falls in and the amount that gets pumped out, there is a difference. However, the BMC has been trying for years to match this difference, but every year the same story. And as you can see, in fact, it is completely waterlogged as well. Now, this particular road stretch, which is very adjoining to the Eastern Express Highway that you see on my left, this Eastern Express Highway, this road which is adjoining to it, this road is never so full with water, it's never waterlogged, but right now it is completely waterlogged. And just a few minutes ago, a truck passed by on this road, but even a truck was finding it difficult to wade through this water, and this road is completely now waterlogged. And even through the day, we can expect such heavy showers because IMD has in fact issued a red alert for today as well as tomorrow. So along with BMC, even we would like to appeal to all the Mumbaikars and Thanekars to not step out, to not venture out unnecessarily. If you are associated with essential services, only then the BMC says that you can go out. But otherwise also the railway traffic is not working right now. It's not functioning. All the railway lines, the Central Line, the Western Line, the Harbour Line is stopped functioning, and traffic diversion is being reported from various parts of Mumbai. In fact, the BST has identified 26 spots currently where there is waterlogging, and it is in fact diverting its BST route from these 26 points, and of course it also has your usual spots of King Circle, Shell Colony, Hindmata. But definitely through the day, what we can expect is intense showers, and in fact already Mumbai has witnessed, since last night already Mumbai has witnessed heavy showers, about 200 rainfall in the, from last night, which is 8 p.m. until 6 a.m. in the morning. So that is extremely heavy rainfall that Mumbai has already witnessed, and even through the day it is going to it is expected that it will be heavy rainfall, and at 12:47 is when the high tide is. So definitely you can still expect that the waterlogging will continue, because during the high tides the gates are closed, the stormwater gates are
Right.
closed, and the water will still stay within the city limits. So definitely waterlogging can be expected until the high tide is there.